Welcome to the post-game press conference. We are joined by the best player of the game, Robert Bolick, and winning head coach, Jong Oichico. Coach, Berto has been making those shots, lalo na nung fourth quarter. Talk about his performance today, along with Watkins, who has really made his presence known sa defense side naman.
Right, it's a convenience to play with Berto because it makes your offensive game easier, game plan easier when you have Robert with you. He makes great decisions, he makes big shots, he plays defense. So, it's a luxury I'm lucky that I have Robert as my lead point guard, as our lead point guard. So, he'll be there in the end game. And Mike, of course, we talked earlier, he gave us 17 points and 29 rebounds. 17 points, 29 rebounds. I don't know how many block shots he made. I think 4 block shots, which is, an intimidating presence in the paint. And that's what Mike gives us.
Coach, what were the crucial adjustments for the team, lalo na nung fourth quarter, in order to get that win today?
Sorry?
What were the crucial adjustments of the team, lalo na nung fourth quarter, to get that win?
No major adjustments. I just think we defended well, and we made big shots in the end to catch up. I think we were down by 10 already at certain point, but we were able to hang on. Yun yung it's weather the storm. Ngayon yung weather the storm. I was asked the previous game, ngayon yung weather the storm. We were down 10 already at a certain crucial point, but we were able to catch up because we just stayed together, defended, and of course we made stops and big shots.
Thank you, Coach. Berto, in an import conference, kitang-kita pa rin yung aggressiveness mo in going for that basket. Saan mo nakukuha yung kumpiyansa mo sa sarili?
Wala, yun nga, sinasabi nga ni Coach, maganda yung game plan namin, tapos nandyan yung import namin. Pag maganda yung pinapakita niya, nagiging open kami lahat eh. So, nung second half, nag-adjust siya, rumoroll siya ng maigi, at grabe yung depensa niya. Kaya nabakante yung mga shooters namin, at nabakante rin kami, kaya nakapag-penetrate kami dahil sa kanya. So, yeah.
Berto, 39 points ka today, and then 20 points noon all in the fourth quarter. Anong nangyari sa quarter na yun for you to explode that much?
Hindi ko alam. Nagkataon lang na yung mga punta ng bola, nabakante ako, tapos yun, kumpiyansa lang, pinapractice ko naman yun. Pero yung 2 points ko, yung ang dami kong miss layup, usually nasushoot ko yun. So, eventually okay naman, maganda yung team, maganda yung ginawa lahat ng players namin, and lahat sila nag-contribute, si Enoch, ang ganda ng depensa, Robbie, lahat. So, yun. Si Kevin rin, crucial nung fourth.
We are now opening the floor if the media has any questions.
Berto, congrats, 39 points.
Thank you.
With this kind of win against San Miguel na defending champion and contender, gaano kalaking bagay ito sa campaign nyo?
Malaki siyempre, alam naman natin, hindi lang San Miguel pero yung SMC group, malalakas yung lineup nila. And masaya lang kami na hindi kami nag-give up, yun nga sinasabi ni Coach, kahit parang 1 point na mangata sila ng 15 pero 14, pero nandun pa rin kami, lumalaban pa rin kami, step at a time. And lahat ng players nag-contribute. So, yun yung maganda. Pag lahat kami nagtulungan, maganda yung nangyayari. So,
Coach, dun sa comeback nyo, crucial din si Anthony sa comeback nyo.
Si Semerad, Tony.
Yes,
Yes, of course. Very versatile naman si Tony. He can spread the floor, he can defend. So, malaking bagay si Tony. And si Enoch din, na nakahanap ako ng defender din ng maski papano kay Miller. So, yun. Lahat nga, sabi ni Berto, lahat naman nag-contribute. Doesn't mean lang naman nag-contribute sa offense. Nag-contribute din lahat sa defensive end.
Coach, you beat San Miguel tonight, pero in 3 days, you play Ginebra na first game sa ano.
Yeah, sana, sana, we play the same way, with the same, yun lang. Of course, mahirap kalaro yung Ginebra, back-to-back, nakapahinga sila. So, pero that's why we should be ready for our yung Wednesday's game. Wednesday ba? Yeah, we should be ready for Wednesday's game.
Beto, nung ano mo doon, I'm sure you're excited ka sa game na yun against Ginebra.
Oo naman, excited syempre. And, mas maganda rin sa amin kasi first game nila eh. So nakangapa pa sila. Baka may chance kaming ano. And kita-kita tayo sa Wednesday. Tsaka sa sapatos yan.
Sapatos, no?
Bumili kayo!
Bert, last conference medyo parang numbers wise parang nag-struggle ka dun sa 4-point range. Ngayon ba 2 of 3 ka, parang nagagamay mo na yung ano?
Yun nga.
Unang tanongin nyo kasi.
Mas maganda nga, hindi practice eh. Nung last conference, practice ko hindi ako makashoot. So, nung itong conference, hindi ko na iniisip kung nandun lang ako tsaka ako tinira. Mas napaganda pa, so tuloy-tuloy ko na siguro.
Berto, saan mo lang iyahan na itong performance mo? One of, ano ba to? Top 3, top 5, or top 10?
Lagi naman nandyan lang eh. Siguro top 2, top 3. Yung maganda yung, malakas yung kalaban namin eh. And ang samahan ng laro ko nung first half eh. And yung second half, wala lang. Yan, sinasabi ni Coach, kumpiyansa lang, tira mo lang. And yun, biglang yung Panginoon na tunutulungan ka rin. So, masaya ako.
That concludes our post-game press conference. Congratulations to
Thank you.
NLEX.